In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Google Calendar on Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Google does not build a traditional desktop installation file for Google Calendar on Windows 11. Instead, the best method is to configure it as a progressive web app using Google Chrome. So this creates a dedicated lightweight desktop application that launches its own borderless window, pins directly to your taskbar, and syncs flawlessly with your schedule layout. So what you want to do is go over to Calendar. Now, once I'm here, it's going to look something like this. And all I want to go ahead and do is on the top right, press these three little dots. Once I'm here, I'm going to see a lot of options, but I'm going to see Cast, Save, and Share. Once I click on that, you're going to see Save Page As, but that's not what you want to do. You want to install Page as App. So go ahead and click on that. It's going to say Install Page as App. It's going to already show the icon. It's going to be Google Calendar. And all I want to do is press Install, and then it's going to be saved to my PC, and you can use it wherever you want. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.